Our planet has always been working with us. It is we who are not working with the planet. The key lies in making mindful and responsible decisions which might not be so difficult. As Kanti and I started working on this project, we have been experiencing utmost satisfaction in crafting and curating the whole idea. As we started working together, our beliefs and thoughts closely matched about how we could play our part in bringing awareness to protect and be responsible towards nature. As we talk about societal changes that we attempt to bring in, we as a team are ensuring to keep up to the facts and carry out extensive research before we voice anything on the show. I will walk you through our concepts and experience you all could gain from sustainable living with Shilpa Reddy. Sustainability is the need of the hour. We are all witnessing the global health crisis further impacting the wellness of our future generations. As we know, the Earth's resources are unevenly distributed, and due to enormous imbalanced and irresponsible consumption, the resources are depleting at a rapid speed. A day might come when there will be no resources left for our future generations. This is the time we all must talk about conserving, preserving, and sustaining. Sustainable living describes a lifestyle that attempts to reduce an individual or society's use of Earth's natural resources. It can be referred to as Earth Harmony Living. This is Shilpa Reddy, and I welcome you to my channel where I talk about close to nature lifestyles and bring to you the nature's finest friends to talk about their beliefs, their life choices, and their journey towards sustainable living. Every action has a consequence. Altering the way we live can have a great impact on our planet. Meeting our survival needs while not compromising the resources for future generations is crucial. As Mahatma Gandhi said, there is no beauty in the finest cloth if it makes hunger and unhappiness. We believe in practicing the general philosophy of ecological living. Sustainable living with Shilpa Reddy proponents simple ways and methods to conduct our lives naturally balanced and reorganize our lifestyles that will help conserve and revive our planet's ecology. It is time that we all act, and yes, every one of us can make a difference. I have always believed that human activities have a great influence on nature. This project is close to my heart because nothing matters more than protecting our Mother Earth. With an attempt to impact on the larger front, we have come together to put our efforts into something meaningful and sensible. We will host one public figure every month to bring to you the finest experiences of people who are inspiring. In conversation with the nature lovers, I will unbox their lifestyle, beliefs, and their transition to sustainable living. It will be a privilege and great learning as we host the sustainable stars on the show. In every second episode of the month, you get to know my view on a core nature-friendly topic that is to be highlighted in the current times to create a positive social impact. In this episode, you get to explore with me about close to nature activities and learn of those little changes to your lifestyle that will give you the satisfaction and bring awareness to become nature's friendly and responsible. I have always been supporting sustainable products and entrepreneurs who have been actively promoting environmentally friendly products. In the third episode, I will be in conversation with a nature's tycoon to know about their contribution to the economy and human well-being while keeping in mind the business effects on the planet. In this episode, we talk about sustainopreneurship. That means having sustainable strategic objective and purpose to a business. We all have concerns about how we have to organize our daily activities to ensure we are keeping ourselves and everyone around us hale and healthy. The fourth episode of the month, Q&A with Shilpa, gives you an opportunity to have your questions addressed by me. I hope to utilize this space to voice my commitment towards sustainability and share my knowledge and our research in a very structured manner. I hope to gratify you as I attempt to influence your life-changing decisions to further protect Mother Nature. Welcome to Sustainable Living with Shilpa Reddy. Do subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more updates. See you soon. Signing off, Shilpa Reddy.